Hello, Miss Tamika. It is Miss Franklin. Hopefully this video will help you with getting started with Google Classroom. So what you can see right now is the screen that you will see from your computer when you log in to Google Classroom every day for London. So you will log in with that email password, or that email address that was provided by Miss Matthews, and that password. So you will come here, you will see it, you will just click on first grade. This page is called the stream. So every day you will see messages in the stream, different things from the specials teachers. There might even be a question or a note from me there, but this is kind of like your home page. What you need to be looking at is the classwork. So you will click on the classwork every day. The days work will be posted in the morning. So for example, today is Tuesday, so you will only be able to see yesterday's and today's. So let's just take a look at today. So all you're going to do is you're going to click on today's and click view assignment. And it's going to bring this up. This page up. So from this page, you're going to come over here and you can click right here where you see her name. So under your work, you're just going to click that document that it brought up. And it is going to open up another screen that is going to have her work outlined there for you. And you're just going to go through these at your own pace. There's no time limit. There's no specific amount of time per assignment. It doesn't have to be done all at once. Some days there will be something that you turn in or send us a picture of. Some days there isn't. So you'll just look for that there. So for example, today they're going to start with word work. She's going to review the video. To do that, you're just going to click on it and it will bring up the link and you will watch that video. And then it's got spelling choice board, and I believe that might be something in your packet that you received, and it's got an activity that you can do there, I believe. Then from here, you'll just go to the My Book, page 35, I believe, or page 34, excuse me. Yesterday, they did the page before that. So basically, you will just go through this, kind of think of it as a checklist. And you will just click on the links, watch the videos, and do the different activities with London there. So it looks like today there is nothing that you're going to turn in per se. Just do these activities with her. If you have any questions as she's doing it, let me know. I also included something in the packet for her. There was a note from me in there with some different activities that she could be doing. Also, some different worksheets and things that were specifically from me, Miss Franklin. So as she's doing those, again, there's no deadline on those. I did put some recommended dates. But as you get a chance to do those, if you just want to snap a picture, you can text it back to me. You can email it to me, just so I can see how she's doing. But so this should get you started. Once you walk through this video, and you're able to do it on your computer or your Chromebook. If you have any more questions, please give me a call or text me back, but hopefully this will answer some of your questions on how to get started. One more thing, when you go back to her classes, once you're in that page, and you want to get back to the home page, you just click SES First Grade. And then if you want to go back to classwork, there's also some different things from the specials teachers. But for right now, let's just worry about getting London on the stuff that the teachers, that Miss Matthews is assigning, and that will be kind of up here. It's also got the spelling list here with the sight words and the choice board. So if you lose the one in your bag or you want to look at it on the computer, it is right here. I will try to check in each morning before you guys do to see specifically what's going to need to be turned in for London, and I will check on you with that each day to see if you need help specifically turning things in. But again, like I said, for today, there's nothing that you're going to turn in back to Miss Matthews for a check or grade. We just need you to kind of go through this page and do the activities there that's listed.